Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna take you guys on a trip to Stoke-on-Trent. Yeah, it's kind of like a girls trip, you know. Sometimes you want to go out with your friends, and why not? We're gonna be going to Stoke-on-Trent and I want to take you guys along with me. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Denise, and don't forget to subscribe. If you are not new, don't forget to like this video and also comment down your favorite part of the video. Yeah, let's go.
I'm looking for socks. Crazy.
You're worth the chase, you're burning up.
Hi guys, yeah. We just got to our destination. Took us 5 hours. Oh my god, there's so much traffic. Hi! Welcome to our little apartment for our girls trip.
Oh my god, it looks so beautiful.
What is around here. Yeah. Okay, so the room on my right is a little bedroom. This is one of the rooms. A little toilet and bathroom. I actually have a master room in here.
Wow,
that is
so
amazing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
That's a toilet and then wow, that is amazing. Look. And then the second room on to my right. This is the living room. That's it.
This looks so beautiful. Hi, Jessie. Wow, the kitchen is beautiful. I'll show you guys.
Oh, that's like a little room. Can I just sit down here? Yeah. A lovely kitchen. It's a cabinet and we have some plates in there. This is the cook, of course, and that's the microwave. That's the oh, I forgot what that is. And then we have some little cabinet and then tea, coffee, whatever. That's the fridge. Let's go up. Okay. When you come up, you have bathroom with a sink.
Wow,
so lovely, isn't it?
this is.
Show them the sink. I love the design and stuff. And then this is like the main bathroom. So it has
wow.
It has this, yeah. 2 people can have a shower. Even 4 people can have a shower in here. It's actually very cheap and affordable. It has a sink if you want to brush your teeth. Whatever you want to do for washing. It has a toilet as well. Wow.
So that's 2 times.
Wow. Like a room and one downstairs. This is like a tiny one.
The room is nice as well.
Yeah, it's cute. It's like a bit brighter, isn't it? It has a tiny TV, a little wardrobe. I'm not gonna use it anyways. We're only here for 2 days, so that's fine. Okay. Come on. On to the next 2 rooms. We've got 2 rooms left. We've got 2 rooms left. Come on in. Ooh, this is our lovely ladies' room. It's beautiful. I love it. It has a window, it has a TV, it has 2 drawers so you can put your stuff in there. It has that as well. So you can put like whatever you want to put in there.
It looks nice.
So nice, right?
And then upstairs.
And then this is the last room. This door is so hard. Oh, I don't even know how to play. So this is the last bedroom. It looks really cute. It actually has a mirror as well. It has 2 drawers. And my camera woman. So yeah, that's the apartment. So we're gonna like chill today. It's Friday today. We're gonna
Take picture with
What do you guys want to do? Should we go downstairs and get? This is nothing. Okay. Okay, chef. What are you making? Chef
Steaks, darling.
Oh, what are you making? Ooh.
Homemade, babe.
Oh, she's a good cook. Yeah, she's really good cook. You guys, so we're having a girls' night time. Just doing fun stuff, you know. Good morning. So tired. Good morning, guys. So yesterday we slept around 2 o'clock, I think. It was fun last night. Like when I went to bed last night, I was so tired because prior to coming here, it was taking 5 hours to get here, so I was so tired. So today we're gonna go to Alton Towers Water Park, hopefully. We tried to book online, but guys, it was fully booked. Like when I tell you, it was overly booked and there was none availability. So I hope today when we get to the counter, hopefully they have like availability for us. Yeah, stay tuned for that and let's go.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no.
Madam taking pictures.
Yeah.
Me too. What do you mean? Yeah. This is beautiful. Oh, sorry. Go.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know
Canada don't want you they don't want you to report inside. But this is what it looks.
baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it.
We're going home. We came around 1 something.
It was something.
Yeah, and then we're leaving at 5 something. It was so fun. I love every single bit of it. Look at my hair.
The probably was in the water park.
Oh look!
What is that?
That's the Alton Towers train. It looks so fun.
What is about this?
You know Alton Towers is not all about rides, you know. There's so many things in there. I love it. That's the train. Good morning, guys. Today is the last day of us leaving. Oh, that's so sad. I wish we could have stayed more. But it is what it is. We have to go back to reality. Go back to work. Go back to doing nothing. I'm joking. Go back to work. What are we doing today? So we're gonna go to Water Park. No, Water World. Stoke-on-Trent Water World. That's the name. Let's go.